How do you factor a trinomial in algebra? Imagine you have a puzzle with 3 pieces, and your goal is to put them together to see the full picture. Factoring a trinomial is just like solving that puzzle. It involves rewriting an expression with 3 terms into a product of to simpler expressions called binomials. A typical trinomial looks like this: x2 plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are numbers and x is the variable. To factor it, you want to find 2 binomials that multiply to give the original trinomial. First, check if all the terms share a common factor called the greatest common factor. If they do, divide each term by that number. This step makes the problem easier. For example, if you have 4x2 plus 8x plus 4, the GCF is 4. Factoring it out gives you 4x2 plus 2x plus 1. Now, focus on the simplified trinomial inside the parentheses. If the coefficient of x2 is 1, which means the trinomial looks like x2 plus bx plus c, then you just need to find 2 numbers that multiply to c and add to b. For instance, if you have x2 plus 5x plus 6, look for 2 numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. These are 2 and 3. So the factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. When you multiply these binomials back, you get the original trinomial. When the coefficient of x2 is not 1, the process is a bit more involved. You use the AC method. First, multiply a and c to get a number called AC. Then find 2 numbers that multiply to AC and add to b. For example, with 6x2 plus 7x plus 2, multiply 6 and 2 to get 12. Now find 2 numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. These are 3 and 4. Rewrite the middle term 7x as 3x plus 4x, so the expression becomes 6x2 plus 3x plus 4x plus 2. Next, group the terms into 2 pairs, 6x2 plus 3x and 4x plus 2. Factor out the GCF from each group, 3x 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Notice both groups share the binomial to x plus 1. Now factor out this common binomial, giving you 3x plus 2, 2x plus 1. Sometimes you might see special cases like perfect square trinomials or the difference of squares. Perfect square trinomials look like a 2 plus 2ab plus b2 or a 2 2ab plus b2, and they factor as a plus b2 or a b2. The difference of squares involves binomials like a 2b2, which factors into a plus b, ab. If the trinomial is tricky, you can try different pairs of factors 4 and c if they work. Always multiply the factors back together to check if you get the original expression. This step confirms your answer. Factoring a trinomial might seem complicated at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. It is a key skill in algebra that helps you solve equations and understand how different expressions relate. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be able to factor any trinomial with confidence.